Hi, you're welcome to our Switch to Real Estate monthly training brought to you by Real Estate Business School.
First, understand what real estate really means. It's not just selling land. It includes property development, investment, management, valuation, etc.
You must decide which area best fits your passion and skills, whether as realtor, developer, lawyer, educator, or as a real estate photographer, videographer, analyst, valuer, etc. You choose. Next, get trained. Real estate isn't guesswork. Learn about property laws, title verification, marketing, and negotiation, and client management. Attend trainings, seminars, or even intern with a reputable firm. This business runs on relationships. Network with other agents, developers, investors, and surveyors. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll attract. So, first, build good relationship skills. You don't need to own properties to start. Begin as a marketer or consultant. Promote listings, earn commissions, build your credibility. Consistency is what builds reputation in this business. Use digital tools, social media, listing platforms, and virtual tours. Build your personal brand online. In today's market, visibility is power. Integrity is everything. Always verify your listings, tell clients the truth, and handle deals transparently. One dishonest transaction can ruin your years of hard work. And I know you won't want that. And real estate can change your life if you treat it like a career, not a hustle. Keep learning, keep growing, and the market will reward your diligence.
My name is Andy Chukwu, aka the Gentle Eagle, and I've built my life and career through real estate. And you can too.
If you want to learn more, you can enroll in any of our courses by calling 0802-979-9228 today.